London, get your tickets ready, bro.
This is exciting, isn't it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janet. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. I want to say a happy new year to each and everyone, all my subscribers, my family, and my friends. I hope that this year 2024 brings you all the best that you can achieve for this year. It's another year. We need to give thanks. We need to give thanks because some people haven't even seen this year, but we have, so I have to give thanks. I've got to give another shout out to all my subscribers as well, because guess what, your girl reached 500 subscribers. Keep it coming, because you know we're growing slowly, but guess what, surely. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you. Now I'm getting ready to go to Winter's Wonderland. I tried to go the other day but no ticket, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes today, because guess what, the weather is upon us. It's not that pretty today. It is raining, and plus it is very cold. So I'm gonna get ready to go with my gal pal, and I want to show you something. I got this moisturizer from Primark. It is this moisturizer from Primark. Let me see, focus. It is a Prep and Perfect. I don't know if you can see it properly. It is £4.50, and it's a dupe from Bobbi Brown's face base. So I'm going to try this to do my makeup and see how it works. It's just up my street. And I got this cleansing water. It's the micellar water. I paid £2.50, and it's just like the Garnier one, but this one is cheaper. And guess what, it does the same job. It doesn't even matter the name of the product. It's what it does. So I'm gonna try this when I'm taking off my makeup as well and see how it works. Now I'm gonna get ready to go to Winter Wonderland. And guess what, I'm gonna take you along with me. So let me get ready. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? This one what? You just in for the donut, innit? You go front of us. You have the ticket. We passed the security, so it's fine. Well, the ticket world, we finally made it into Winter's Wonderland. Is it locked down now? Quickly before we get caught. Where's the donuts?
Wait, one sec.
We'll have a race on this one. We are just starting. The race here we're chasing. We're going to start the next race. 9-8 drive racing boys.
And then you need
It's only a swing gone wrong.
You think I'll do that? Not even my fucking
Representing right now, the one and only Aeronaut.
Oh, we're gonna have to sit down and join.
Just getting back from Winter Wonderland. It was okay. I did like it, but I couldn't enjoy it because it was so raining and it was so cold. But it was good going out. Yeah. Now guys, it's time for the tree to come down. I'm so sad, but guess what? On to 2024, looking forward to everything in 24 because it's a different year. So it's time to take down the tree. They say what goes up must come down. Yep. me show you some of the stuff that I got on sale on Boxing Day. And yes, don't remind me. I know I shop a lot. I do. But I'm very frugal. I like to shop when it's sale. I leave it. I watch it. If it's on sale and my size, yes, it's good to go. I know how to spend my money. But this is what I got on sale. I got this nice dress. It's attached. And I got it from Zara. And I've got a party to go to, so this will come in handy. But it is so nice when I tried it on. A bit difficult to get on, but once it's on, it's good to go. Then I got this leather gillette from Zara as well. It was on sale as well. There's the tag. I got this from Zara, and this is so nice. And I went to Primark. I got some felt tips. This is for a project that wasn't on sale, but I got this top. It's a Rita Ora top, and yes, it was on sale as well. And it's a crop top, but it is so sexy. Yep, it's like that. Yeah, got that. Primark again. It's Rita Ora. This is so shiny, but I will find somewhere to wear it. It's a skirt, and yeah, it was on sale. And I got the top to match. Very Renaissance. And I got this sheer little number as well. So sexy. But they were on sale. It's good to go. Let's see.